Welcome to LatinX in AI, your getaway to a thriving community. Today, let's explore the notification features that keep you connected. Stay in the loop with the LatinX in AI notifications. We have designed a compressed system to keep you informed and engaged. Receive updates, announce, and import information into your inbox. It's a convenient way to stay connected, even when you are not in the platform. Get alerts within the platform about replies, mentions, or discussions that you are part of it. It's your instant connection to the ongoing conversations. For real-time updates, we have push notifications. Stay connected on the go with the instant alert to your device. Everyone's preferences are different. That's why we have made it easy for you to customize the notification settings. LatinX in AI keeps you connected, informed, and engaged through emails, important alerts, or push notifications. For more details, explore our website. Thanks for being part of our vibrant community.